Guys, you must have read the title of this video and have come to watch this video to get your answer, right? The basic and the simple answer is that you have to practice as many question papers as possible. I have been creating content for a year now and all the videos are on my channel that talks about how to clear IELTS exam with 8+ band. Well, now talking about this video, I have a detailed approach. So please watch this video till the end because you never know, this will help you to clear your next IELTS exam. So well, before I begin, I please request you to like this video because YouTube algorithm will know that this video is helpful and it might reach somebody who's looking for this content. So now let's get started. In this video, I will be giving the tips on how to crack IELTS exam. And in the following videos, the link will be in the description of this video. I will talk about the resources and the strategies, a detailed, thorough approach. So now guys, well, if I have to talk about the speaking test, we all face an issue because we are not confident or we are not fluent in talking in English or having a conversation in English. The problem is that we actually think in Hindi and then try to translate in English and then speak it out. Well, if I tell you that you have to reverse the approach and you have to start thinking in English itself, then the whole concept will become very easy for you. Start thinking in your head in English and speak out in English as well. Secondly, for speaking test, make sure that you are speaking in English with every person you come across because daily practice will help you to gain confidence and fluency in the language. Now coming to reading, somebody who's reading the whole paragraph doesn't ensure that person will be cracking IELTS. Well, what you have to do is you have to start imagining and understanding in your head what the writer is talking about. Only then you will be able to recall when the question is put in front of you. You will recall what the scenario was, what the story was, and when the question is there, you will immediately recall that part of the story. So don't just read, right? Read and understand and imagine that whole concept. You have those few minutes, so start practicing now so that same strategy you can do it in the exam. Coming to the difficult section, which is writing. Writing is all about documenting your thoughts. Your thoughts should be clear. And then what is important? You should have knowledge about grammatical rules, tenses, plural, singular, nouns, verbs, pronouns. You should be very clear with the fundamentals of English grammar. That is where we make mistakes and our score gets deducted. Now, if you want me to help in your grammar, please let me know in the comment section so that I will create a new video and a series of videos on English grammar. Well, this is all about writing, reading and speaking. If you gain command on grammar, guys, remember that it will help all your sections. Now coming to the listening test. Well, coming to listening part, if you have been listening to my video, which means that you're quite attentive. And if you're able to recall the strategies as well, then it's all done for you. You just have to be careful in listening to what the speaker is saying. Okay. Now, if you're not able to do that, guys, what is important is try to analyze what you are skipping. And you have to be more attentive and make notes. Try to jot down the important things that you feel you will skip. And that is a little complicated for you according to English grammatical rules. So this is an interesting part of listening that only attention is required and you will be able to crack it. Well, this is all about the tips for IELTS exam. If you like my video, guys, please subscribe to my channel and stay tuned for more content.